guys and gals, welcome to another lesson brought to you by Drums Anytime. So this lesson is going to look at a way to incorporate the Swiss triplet around the kit, okay, in an orchestrated and rhythmic fashion. So the Swiss triplet is one of my favorite rudiments, not the one that I'm best at by any stretch, but it's one that I like, and particularly the one where you're leading with the left, so it's like this. Reverse it where you're leading with the right, but I want to work on this particular sticking, okay? So you want to get comfortable with that, right? Where you feel, that the sticking, you got it in your head, okay? So what you're going to do is you're gonna move the sticking around the kit based on a rhythmic phrase. I know I do this all the time, but I think it's a good way to work on this stuff. So if we look at the rhythmic phrase 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, there's a couple ways to approach this, right? So you could do it as, like, for example, you could move the right hand over the tom. 1, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. And by the way, I'm thinking of these as 16th note triplets. I probably should have said that. So 1, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 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 1, and you know, move it to a different tom. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. Okay, so you notice my left hand is staying on the snare. It's just a great way to work out work out your wrists. And I love practicing flams. The other thing you could do, for example, is you could say, okay, well, if the note's on a downbeat, I'll play on the floor tom. If it's an upbeat, I'll play on the rack tom. So that could be like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. Okay, so there are a lot of things you can do with it. You could go on the ride 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. You know, accent with your kick, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that's a cool way to play those Swiss triplets, where you're accenting, you're moving around the kit based on a rhythmic phrase. But obviously start out with the rudiment first. Okay. 1, in this case, I'm thinking 1 and 3. Okay. Just move it around the kit. Use that rhythmic phrase as a template to come up with some different orchestrations. Okay, so that's all I had about this. Enjoy it. I hope that you get something out of it. Until next time, thanks for watching.